పద్దాం మరి రెడీగా ఉండండి. స్క్రీన్ నెంబర్ 1, 80 words per minute. Now write down. Sir, I am thankful to the honorable members of this house for the various suggestions they have made in the course of the debate today. I am also thankful to the honorable members for pointing out some of the defects found in this statement. I am new to the job. I may inform the House that I will be careful about the finance of the government. At the same time, I want the members also to be careful about the finances of the state. I say so because we are all interested in the better government of the state. I would like my friends to remember that last year was a bad year for any government of India. We know that the food situation was not satisfactory. The present government came into office at that time. If they had come into office early enough and if they had presented the budget themselves, the position would have been different. But as you are aware, they had to accept the budget prepared by the previous government as it was. They came into office towards the end of April, so they had very little time to prepare their own budget. In view of this, they could not lay down their own policy. So I want the members to remember the time at which they came into office and the position in the state also at that time in the matter of food and cloth. I was myself worried when the previous government took office. I did not know how they were going to solve the food problem, but I will be failing in my duty if I do not pay my own tribute to the previous ministry for the way in which they dealt with the food situation. So the situation was not good. In the circumstances, the government had to take necessary steps to save the people from danger. All this must be borne in mind before the members point out why this expenditure was not included at the time of the last budget. I do not want to go into other questions that were raised in the course of the discussion. There was sufficient time to discuss the policy of the government when the original budget was presented. I can only say that all the suggestions made will be borne in mind by the government. With the cooperation of all the members, I am sure the government will be able to carry out some of the schemes included in the budget and also the schemes which may be prepared in the near future. I am aware that the salaries of teachers have to be revised. Something has to be done with regard to salaries of teachers, but only recently the pay commission made some recommendations in regard to this matter. We have to examine them and see what we can do to meet the demands of the teachers. I am sympathetic to their demands. We shall see what we can do in the matter. Reference has been made to many other matters also. I would like to inform the House that they will be dealt with by the ministers concerned. I can only say that the other matters mentioned by the honorable members will be borne in mind. I am thankful for the suggestions made in the House on this occasion. Letter dated 3rd July 1993 from Raman and Company, Bombay, to Sri R. Gopal, Madras. Dear Sir, we have already received your letter in regard to the goods ordered by you last month. We are sorry that you have stated in your recent letter that you have not yet received the goods. This is the first time when we have received such a letter from our customers. We have no doubt that you will not find fault with us for the delay in this matter if you are aware of the reasons for it. It is our duty to tell you the reasons for the delay. First, there was a strike by the workers for some time. Secondly, we are sorry to inform you that some of the workers could not attend to the work on account of illness. So the work could not be completed in time. At the same time, we are glad to inform you that the workers have come back to work. You will be pleased to know that the work is being carried on as usual. We are sure that we will be able to send the goods shortly. We hope you will understand the difficult circumstances in which we have found ourselves. However, in the present circumstances, you may expect to receive the goods as early as possible. We are sure you will receive them before the end of this month. Yours faithfully,